Unit 5, Part A, Activity 3A. Listen to Vicky. How is her graduation day different or similar to your country?
My grade 12 graduation day was far from perfect, but it was a really memorable one. Things started well on that day. I woke up just in time at 6 in the morning. I took a really long shower and thought about how my life was about to change. I would be leaving my friends and moving to a new city. Then I helped my mom prepare breakfast. We were all in good spirits. Mom and Dad were very proud of me. When we reached the school, I greeted my friends and quickly walked away to change into my graduation gown. That's when I realized it wasn't in the car. I had forgotten it on the table in the living room. Dad had to drive back home quickly for it. The ceremony itself was really boring. Some important people gave very long talks, and we sat there for nearly 2 hours. My friends and I started passing notes to each other. Back then, our phones were only for calls and text messaging. We couldn't take selfies or chat with our phones. When it was time to get our diploma, we were all feeling great again. I gave my teacher a silk scarf as a present. Some of my classmates gave her presents too. My dad took us straight to a nice restaurant, and to my surprise, my grandpa, grandma, aunt, uncle, and cousins were there. They bought a very big cake, and we had a very special meal. I received more presents from my family as the day ended, but the best present was a little gift from my brother Billy. He made a special card for me, and my mom and dad also wrote messages on it. I take that card with me wherever I go to remind myself how much we love each other as a family.